Are you trying to find the best woodworking clamps? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 7 best woodworking clamps. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. The Irwin Quick Grip Woodworking Bar Clamp 4-pack is a sturdy, handy, and convenient clamp that is made especially for people who have modest projects in mind. The colorful, yet incredibly robust, reinforced resin clamps are offered in vivid blue and yellow. Steel bars that have been hardened to a high degree are robust and won't bend or flex. Working with tiny objects like a drawer or a picture frame is made possible by the clamp's small 6 inches size. While offering a solid hold on a workpiece, non-marring rubber cushioning pads protect the wood from nicks and dings. 140 pounds of clamping force are uniformly distributed via one-handed quick grip triggers, which also rapidly release the clamps. The quick grip clamp allows you to create a strong joint in one motion. Simply twist the handle, move it into position, and voila, one continuous piece. With no need for a tool rest, you can flip your workpiece into position as easily as possible. This versatile clamp works well with most workpieces, materials, and joints. Number 2. For metalworkers, professional carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts, the Bessie BPCH 34H style pipe clamp offers lots of task variety. The Bessie pipe clamps are excellent workshop equipment because they have a 34 inches jaw aperture that can hold heavy steel or wood. The strong dual-axis foot assembly stabilizes the clamps and prevents them from toppling over. Industry-leading clearance beneath your workpiece is provided by a high base design. These 2 pipe clamps can be used to attach galvanized steel pipes to the back of a kitchen cabinet, along with other H-style pipe clamps. The clamps have a sturdy cast jaw that firmly grips a workpiece, and are composed of solid steel with zinc-plated component. When you open and close the clamp's jaws, the crank-style handles enable for quick adjustments and sufficient workspace clearance. A 2-pack and a 4-pack of the pipe clamps are also available. The woodworking clamps are covered by a limited lifetime warranty from Bessie. Number 3. The 16-piece Work Pro Spring Clamp Set gives you a lot of flexibility for a variety of tasks like carpentry, do-it-yourself home improvements, art backdrops, and photography. The springs are fitted with long-lasting screws for the clamps, which are constructed of reinforced blue nylon. A tight grasp is also produced on a workpiece by the black coating on the springs and screws. The Work Pro clamps are appropriate for most light to medium-duty woodworking tasks since they have 3 jaw opening sizes: 214 inches, 134 inches, and 138 inches. The strong and delicate red pads produce the required friction to securely clamp onto items and shield surfaces. The ergonomic bi-material handle's non-slip textured surface guarantees a secure grip and lessens hand strain, allowing you to operate more efficiently. 6 338 inches clamps, 6 412 inches clamps, and 4 612 inches clamps make up the huge 16-piece set's 3 different clamp sizes. Number 4. You may complete a variety of DIY home improvement, repair, and hobby woodworking tasks with the Craig KHC Premium Face Woodworking C-Clamp. This sizable C-clamp is intended to create flawlessly flush individual joints and secure them while driving pocket screws into the board. The extra-large steel jaws expand to a 3 inches width, allowing you to deal with larger pieces of wood up to 234 inches without difficulty. The clamp is simple to use and contains a screw assembly that can be rapidly altered to match the thickness of your workpiece. An uniform amount of clamping force is applied to a workpiece by large clamping pads. The wood won't be harmed when you tighten the jaws thanks to its anti-mar construction. As you tighten and release the clamp, you may grip onto the thick padded blue handles in great comfort. Number 5. The House Solution Right Angle Woodworking Clamps are going to be your go-to tool for all your woodworking projects, whether you're a professional cabinet maker, a home renovator, or a picture framer. This miter-style clamp allows 2 workpieces of differing thicknesses to be attached at a 90° angle, making it useful for nailing, welding, bolting, or gluing, as well as aligning wood beams. The clamp offers you long-lasting durability because it is made of durable, die-cast aluminum alloy. Why the clamp may be used on steel rods, metal tubes, and thick glass panels since it has a maximum 2.68 inches clamping range, a 3.74 inches jaw width, and a 1.4 inches jaw depth. The ergonomic rubberized TPR single handle of the House Solution clamp is a pleasure to use because it fits your hand comfortably and doesn't slip. One-handed, rapid, and simple 2-way rotation is made possible by the adjustable swing rotary jaw design. The right angle clamp comes in 4 chic colors and 2 handle options, a T-shape or a double handle. Number 6. The Eating 201B toggle clamps are necessary equipment for your jig assembly, tool fixtures, or mobile bases. The Eating toggle clamps are extremely adaptable and work on metal, plastic, and wood. The Eating clamps are robust and long-lasting since they are made of cold-rolled carbon steel with a zinc plating for corrosion resistance. These 6-inch clamps are sturdy and effective, having movable rubber tips on the jaws that keep a tight grasp without slipping. Because the Eating clamps feature an opening angle of 85 dig, a handle opening angle of 6 dig, and a holding capacity of 198 pounds, you can use them for small or medium-sized workpieces. The clamp's low-height design and operation provide maximum clearance, which is quite helpful for raised paneling sheets. Despite the fact that these toggle clamps are intended for horizontal placement, removing a clamped object vertically is incredibly simple thanks to their quick-release retractable clamp design. Number 7. The Jorgensen Bar Clamp 2-pack set is perfect for hobbyists, carpenters, woodworkers, and metalworkers because it was created primarily for medium-duty clamping activities. These bar clamps have an orange-baked enamel coating on robust, rust-resistant steel to increase their durability. Each clamp has a robust design and a massive load-bearing limit of 600 pounds. Its maximum jaw opening capacity is 12 inches, and its throat depth is 212 inches. The clamp's hardened steel-plated multiple-disc clutch sliding head, which enables the sliding head to move the bar quickly and grip securely at any point, will enable you to operate more quickly. Soft and sturdy safety cushions fit snugly onto a workstation to prevent damage to your workpiece. The top of the clamp has a nice rubber and plastic handle for convenient handling. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.